Hello, everyone. I wanted to share with you a game that I learned a number of years ago at a teacher's convention. It's a math game, multiplication, and it's a great game. I've always had kids love it. And I teach online for the VIP Kid. You may have heard of it. I teach Chinese children every morning from about 4 hours, 6 to 10, just depends on what time of year it is. And there's some of the older ones it's hard to find the rewards for, like you can the younger ones. And so sometimes I'll play this game with them and I have them ask for it over and over again. These are 12, 13, even 14-year-olds, 15-year-olds. It doesn't really matter how old you are. The boys really love it. So if you're looking for a great math game for your classroom, or if you teach online math, or just as a reward like I do with VIP Kid, or if you have your own children that you are homeschooling that you would like to play a fun multiplication math game, here it is. I'm going to share with you my screen. Okay, let's get so you can see really good. Okay, now this is how it works. Now, for me, and I'm doing it online, I do it this way, but your kids can just have a piece of paper, or actually a marker board, whiteboard works really good. That's what I do with my own children, is they just each have their own whiteboard. And everyone needs to make 3 lines there on the top, and then 2 lines across the bottom, and then it's multiplication, and then I'm going to set one up for me, okay, because if it's just 2 people playing, I mean, you need to have 2 people playing this game. But if your kids are playing, you don't necessarily need to play, although it's fun. I think it's fun. And it's really good actually for an adult to play, because there's a lot of strategy. And after a while, the kids start picking up on that strategy. Okay. And then you're going to take a big dice. And if you don't have a big dice, that's fine too. You can take any dice. I use these for online just because it's easy for the kids to see. And I got these, I'm sure they were off Amazon. I don't know who makes them. I made the little cards, or I got the little cards, printed them off from some homeschooler site. I'm not sure who it was. But actually, I printed them off from www.educationcubes.com. And what's nice about these cubes, of course, you get 4 of them, but what's really nice is they have the little pockets. And then you can just put it whatever you want in these pockets. That makes it really nice. Okay, so I'm going to throw it up, okay, and I have a 5. Okay, so the kids have to put the 5 down. Now, the rule is once you put it down, you have to leave it. So let's say this number 1 is your kid, and this is you, okay, number 2. So they're going to put 5 down wherever, okay. Usually they don't have strategy in the beginning. I'm going to put it here, okay, and then I'm going to roll it again, and this time it is it's a 6. Good. So obviously I'm going to put it here because that's the biggest you can get. And let's see, they may put it right here, okay, and then we're going to roll it again, and this time it's a 3. And I think I'll put mine in the same place. And then next is a 4. Wow, we're getting a lot of different numbers this time. So they may decide to put theirs here, hoping for that big number again. I'm going to put it here. Okay, and then one more time is a 2. It's pretty cool because whenever I play it with this one boy on VIP Kid, we always get 3. 3 and 4 and 2. We never get the 5 and the 6. Okay, and then from there, I just take the calculator on my phone, but it's really good if your children have a calculator, because it's a great calculator game, helping them learn how to do the calculator. So have them. Sorry, I'm trying to get my calculator up. So have them pull out their calculator, and I want and then have them figure out what theirs is, or have them figure out the other person's. They each can do it, and they can switch and have somebody check theirs to make sure it's right. So what I do online is I do it for them because I'm usually running short on time. So I will let them see 253 times 64, and then especially when I'm teaching English, I have them say the number, but they all need to say the number. They all need to get practice saying these numbers. So the answer is 16,192. So 16,192. And then let me do mine. And I hold it up so they can see that I'm not cheating. 643. Did not do that one right. 643 times 52 equals 33,436. So 33,436. And so obviously you can see that I'm the winner. Usually you're probably going to be the winner the first couple times, especially depending on how old your children are. Another way you can play this, once they get this figured out, they start figuring out the strategy, change it up on them and say, now let's see who can get the smallest number. And sometimes they'll figure out, oh, you just do the opposite than what the strategy is that we figured out this time. So that is how you play this math game, multiplication madness, or whatever you want to call it. You can make it your own name. I do want to show you a little bit closer up, since that was just a little tiny thing. There is, here are these cubes. If you'd like to see more videos like this, more educational videos, I am going to be putting out more videos for children with fun learning and creative writing activities. I'm going to be reading some books and learning how to use them for creative writing. And I have a whole lot of teaching manipulatives that I want to share with you, that I'm going to be reviewing, and other things I do in my classroom online, and when I teach my own children. I homeschool my own children. So, and also I used to teach in school in a classroom, a mainstream classroom. So I have a lot of ideas I'm going to share with you. So hit subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you can get more videos. You'll get notified when I put out more videos. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you back. Bye-bye.